Hi, I'm Patricia from TL Creation 73, and welcome to my creative space. Today we're going to look at the difference between distress ink and distress oxide ink on photo paper. And here's some that I've done. One side is regular distress ink, the other side is distress oxide ink. And on these colors, you can't hardly really tell the difference, but we're going to look at some different colors today. So let's get started. So here I have some printer photo paper here. I am using HP Everyday, I believe is what this one is. You can also use HP Advanced, whatever you happen to have. I don't recommend using a cheap one though, because they will crinkle up under the water. So make sure you have a good quality photo paper. So here are the colors I'm using today. Fossilized Amber, Wilted Violet, Mermaid Lagoon, and Candied Apple. I will also be using the same ones in the Distress Oxide inks. So here I'm starting out with just the Distress inks. I am putting the color down on my glass mat. And then I'm going to squirt it with some water, just a couple squirts. And I'm going to put my photo paper into it and just kind of smush it on there, picking it up. And clean up my workspace. Now I'm going to dry it, and what I'm using today is a blow dryer instead of my heat tool. So yeah, just my blow dryer. And you want to dry it off really good in between each color. That's dry. Going on to the next color, which I believe is the Candied Apple. Putting it down on the mat just like before, spraying it with a couple squirts of water, and then just laying it on there to pick up the color. Okay, clean my mat down, and then I will dry it, and I'll be right back. Okay, and now on to the Mermaid Lagoon. I'm just putting color on my mat as I did before with the other colors. I'll spread that again with some water. And I'll put my photo paper on there to pick it up. Also, in case I didn't mention it, you want to make sure you're using the glossy side. I mean, I don't think I mentioned that before, but yeah, make sure you're using the glossy side. So now I'll clean it up and I'll dry that and be right back. And now onto my wilted violet. Putting that on my mat. Squirt it down with some water. And I'll go in and I'll pick that up with my photo paper. Trying to get it in a certain spot there. Just pick it up with the rest. And then make sure I'm getting it all picked up there. And I will clean that off and dry it and be right back. Alright, that one's all done, and here's the outcome of that. Try to hold it up here where you can see it without the light catching it too much there, getting the glare. And now we will move on to the oxide inks. And I'm going to do it in the same order, so I'll start out with the Fossilized Amber, Candied Apple, Mermaid Lagoon, and Wilted Violet. So here I'm just putting my color down onto my mat. I'm going to do the same thing, give it a couple squirts of water, and I will go in with my photo paper and pick all that up. So I got quite a bit of yellow. I didn't mean to get quite so much, but I did. And I don't really want to waste much of it, so I just cover that photo paper with the yellow like this. No tomorrow. I will dry it and be right back. Alright, going in with the Candied Apple here. And I'll give that a couple squirts of water. And go in with my photo paper, just like before. And all of it picked up that I can. Clean that up and dry it, and I'll be right back. Okay, on to our next color, which is the Mermaid Lagoon. And I just love this color. One of my favorites. Squirt that with some water, go in with the photo paper and pick it up. Trying to get it on a certain spot there. Making sure I get all of it that I can. Clean this up and dry it, and I will be right back. Alright, going in with my local violet here. Squirt that with some water. Again, take my photo paper in it. Just kind of dab it about. Picking up as much color as I can here. Okay, that looks good. I will clean up my mess and dry this, and I will be right back. Okay, now that's done. Here they are side by side, but wait, we're not done yet. Now we need to really reveal the magic here. But this is what they look like right after you get done. It's a little cloudy, but we're going to take care of that. Right now we're going to take this and use a baby wipe to clean this off. And you'll see the magic reveal itself. It is so awesome. I absolutely love how bright and vivid they get. So here we go. And if you don't have a baby wipe, you can use like a damp paper towel or something like that. It would work just fine as well. You just want to make sure it's wet to wipe this off. See how that film is coming off from the Oxide inks? And oh, the colors, they are just amazing after you wipe it down. I absolutely love this. There we go, making sure I got all the last bits off of there. Absolutely gorgeous. Clean up my table here. Now I'm going to dry it off. And I'll be right back. Alright, now look at the side by side. Is that totally amazing or what? That's the Oxide, or that's the regular distress ink. And this is the Oxide ink. Look at them colors. I just love how bright and vivid they are. It's absolutely gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. I love it. So yeah, you can tell there's a big difference between the regular distress ink and the Oxide ink. Here was that other one I did. Distress ink and Oxide ink. So yeah, and here's some more I did with Oxide inks. Beautiful. I just love how bright and vivid they are. Absolutely gorgeous. And there we go. If this tutorial was helpful to you in any way, please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I also have a Facebook group, Trisha's Lovely Creations, and I'd love to see you there. Thanks for stopping by. Have a great day.